Hi viewers, this is Oraimo 30,000 capacity power bank, and the challenge of this one here is that once you plug it, even though for 24 hours, it will not increase the percentage. So after working, that is why it's showing 2% like this. So I'm going to show you how you can solve this. You plug your charger, it will keep charging, but it will not increase the percentage. So I'm going to show you how you can solve this at the comfort of your home. Now, looking at the PCB, the positive and negative of the battery, what you will do is that you connect the negative of the battery direct to the ground of the PCB. Connect the negative of the battery direct to the ground of the PCB. Why you do this is that there's an IC at the back of the PCB that connects the battery and the ground together. Here is the IC. I'm going to show you now. This is the IC at the back there. You can see the IC. This is the IC. It connects the battery and the PCB together. So once the IC is weakened, it will not be able to power the battery. Once you plug to charge, it will not be able to increase the percentage. So you have to connect the battery straight to the ground of the PCB to avoid the fake charging. So you can see I did it. Just find the ground of the PCB and then scratch it and then connect the battery straight to the ground of the PCB. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel Phone Clinic for more videos and updates. Thank you.